Just in time, I found you just in time. Before you came, my time was running low.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rabbit here. Today we're going to make something delicious, but then again we're always making something delicious, and you know that. We're going to make something simple, but very, very tasty. We are going to oven roast some chicken thighs with the Root Boy Rub number 2. Chicken and pork rub. Thank you very much for sending me this, Sal. I'm going to put the link to your channel, the Root Boy Cooks, right down here and in the iCard above. Go check him out. Send him some love. He is always cooking something delicious on his Weber or his drum smoker, and always tasting a beer. We're also going to serve it alongside with asparagus, steamed asparagus, which is delicious, and Lingonberries, absolutely the Swedish delicacy. The label says a delicacy, can you see it? A delicacy from Sweden. Let me read you what it says here. Felix Lingonberries are a true Swedish delicacy. This jam is traditionally used with many dishes, from pancakes to meats, and the Swedes simply love it with their meatballs and mashed potatoes. The unique combination of sweet and tart flavors, similar to cranberries, Felix Lingonberries are perfect and delicious complement to many everyday dishes. So what more can you ask for? Let's go ahead and have some lingonberries with this feast, and stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. So here we have the thighs already rubbed and prepped and ready to go in the oven. And let me say this about that. Sal, that Root Boy Rub number 2 is outstanding. I tried some on the a little spoonful of it, and boy, the flavor profile of that is superb. You got some little sweetness going on in there. You got the heat from the chili powder. You got I love the fact that it's granular. You got some onion and probably garlic flakes in there. You got some herbs. You got plenty of cracked black pepper. This is really perfect, and I understand what you're talking about chicken and pork, because it's going to suit both of them perfectly, and I can't wait to try this. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven and oven roast it till it's ready. Alright, so the chicken's done, and what we're going to do is we're going to nestle it on top of a bed of baby spinach with some really nice grassy olive oil from Greece. Okay, so now we're going to put a couple pieces of oven roasted chicken thighs, like so. Oh, they smell so good. Look delicious. Now let's go ahead and get some of this asparagus going down. I love asparagus. Mrs. Ribbon and I think that's probably our favorite vegetable, next to broccoli or Brussels sprouts. And of course, we cannot not do Felix Lingonberries. So let's go ahead and put the dollop on there, Swedish style. Get that tart, savory, and flavor going on. And there you have it. Deliciousness. Thanks, Sal. Certainly appreciate the rubs. Everything smells fantastic. Hope you try it, people. Interesting combination. Tastes fantastic.
You found me just in time and changed my lonely life that lucky day.